Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 3833 Severne on Seneca on beautiful Seneca Lake.
This is a spectacular waterfront building lot with over 100 feet of pristine waterfront to build your dream home.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This amazing waterfront lot has 101 feet of beautiful shale and stone beach with breathtaking lake views. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant master suite with trade ceilings? The possibilities are endless.
This is nature at its best. The 5 acres is just spectacular with hiking trails meandering through this pristine forest. The birds, deer, and other wildlife provide you with this ultimate nature paradise. This waterfront building lot and acreage is situated on a private drive on the west side of Seneca Lake. Even launch your boat at the end of the road. What a convenient way to enjoy all your waterfront activities. Here we are at the north end of beautiful Seneca Lake with panoramic views and the city of Geneva.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 3833 Severne on Seneca on gorgeous Seneca Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!